Here's some more reasons to say go to energy intelligence. Number one, the utility incentives. Many utilities offer rebates for energy efficiency. Number two, tax incentives. HVAC improvements are expensed versus depreciated with 179D. This restarted on January 1st, 2018. Number three, sustainability goals. Reach them more cost effectively than with other measures. Here is a key point. The guaranteed savings are on kilowatt hours and not inflated with subsidies. ECORE-CI dynamically adjusts the chiller system operational parameters to meet the constantly changing cooling loads, that's user requirements, and the ambient conditions such as temperature and relative humidity. ECORE-CI reduces the condenser water entry temperature, CWET, to the lowest level permissible under ambient conditions, thereby reducing the outlet pressure of the compressor P2, which substantially reduces compressor energy consumption. ECORE-CI balances the chiller load across multiple chillers to achieve the chiller manufacturer's published optimum kilowatt per ton per the defined condenser water entry temperature. This all adds up to maximum saving. The algorithm intelligence includes small adjustments for big savings, with over 100 million kilowatt hours saved as of 2018.